Hey, it's Serge. In our previous lesson, you organized your pipeline with custom stages and smart filters. Now you have a clean, actionable prospect database. But here's what separates good salespeople from great ones: the ability to maintain context and collaborate effectively. In this lesson, you'll learn how to add rich context to every prospect, never miss another follow up, and create seamless handoffs between team members. These features transform CRMChat from a personal tool into a team-powered sales machine. Let's get started. To add a note to the deal, you go to Mini App, you open a deal card, and you click Add Note here. I will just write test note for this demo and hit Create Note. Okay, so we created a note, and as always, if you have any important information about the deal, you just add this information here and you never lose it. Now let's explore two ways of adding reminders to the deal. I think it's the most important part of working the CRM to never forget anything, to never forget any task. The first way of doing this is by adding a reminder through the deal card. Let's say I need to send documents to George. Here I'll add some test description. August 12th, tomorrow at 10 o'clock works for me. Create a reminder. Okay, so here I see my reminder. Now, another way of doing that is by sending it to the chat. Let's say you have a lot of deals in your pipeline. It takes too long to find them, and you just want to send it through the chat interface. So you just write George Levin, add a reminder to send docs on Thursday at 3 o'clock. So our AI will process the message that you send. It will find a similar lead, which is George Levin, which is correct. And I choose to update my current deal. Okay, so now we see that the new reminder was created to send documents, and it should remind me, CRMChat should remind me on Thursday at 3 p.m. Let's just double check it in our mini app. Okay, so now we see that there is a reminder that I created myself manually in the deal card, and another reminder which I created through the chat interface. To make reminders, to mark reminders as complete, to mark these tasks as complete, you just click the tick here, and you won't receive any more reminders about that task. Let's just take a look at what these reminders look like. Here you can see. So first of all, you will receive every day you will receive a daily digest with all the tasks for the day at 10 o'clock in the morning. And next, when the time comes for the actual reminder, you will receive this exact reminder at the time that you have set. Here you will have options to update the reminder in case you decided to postpone the task, or you can mark it as complete, or you can just open a deal card and make some more edits manually. So now, speaking of team collaboration, this is the feature that we're still working on, but maybe at the time when you watch this video, by the time you watch this video, maybe this feature is already live. But what we are working on is for you to be able to communicate on the deal with your teammates right within CRMChat. Well, we believe that it's important that you keep all the context about the deal inside the card instead of having separate chats or lose this information somewhere along the way when you have a lot of chats and a lot of conversations with your teammates. So what we're working on is for you to be able to add information here. Let's say I want to say that I sent documents tomorrow. Why did you send it again? So our idea is to make these notes as the chat between teammates. And so Gleb will receive the notification on CRMChat that he was tagged by me and the message that I sent. So this way, all the context keeps inside the deal and you never lose it with your teammates. Excellent. Now you have the tools to maintain perfect context on every prospect, never miss important follow-ups, and collaborate seamlessly with your team. Your deals have detailed notes, your reminders keep you on track, and your teammates can jump in on every conversation without missing a beat. This level of organization and collaboration is what turns good sales teams into revenue generating machines. In our next lesson, we'll cover how to create different workspaces to separate workflows on different projects. This is particularly useful for agencies that manage multiple customers' accounts. Let's dive in.